Lenses and focal point. In this lesson, we're talking about lenses, type of lenses, converging lenses, diverging lenses, optical center, focal point, and secondary principal focus. Lenses. We use lenses in a lot of different ways in society. Cameras use lenses to focus images. Different types of lenses and glasses are used for people to see. Magnifying lenses are used to make things larger. In general, what they all do is focus light onto a certain point to make our image clearer and or larger. Types of lenses. Lenses use refraction to bend light to a focal point. And there's going to be two main types of lenses: converging lenses, which converge the light rays. So you can see they converge the rays down to a single point, the focal point, and diverging rays that push the rays farther apart. So you can see these rays are diverging from each other. Converging lens key components. The optical center is the center of the lens. That's going to be this guy right there, the very center of the lens. The line through the optical center that is perpendicular to the center dashed line of the lens is the principal axis. So the center dashed line would look like this. It may or may not be there depending on the lens diagram you're looking at, but it represents the exact middle part of the lens, and it's where the light rays are going to bend in our diagrams. Light rays parallel to the principal axis converge at a single point called the principal focus. You can see all of these guys here are all going to be parallel to the principal axis, which is the black line right through the middle. The secondary principal focus, F prime, is on the other side of the principal focus, and the distance from here to the optical center is going to be the same as the focus to the optical center. Converging lenses. A converging lens brings parallel light rays together to a focus after refraction occurs. The principal focus for a converging lens is on the opposite side of the lens as the incident rays. So these are going to be the incident rays coming in, and this is the focal point right there. And you can see how they all converge at the exact same spot, and that's called the focus. A diverging lens key components. Light rays parallel to the principal axis do not converge. Instead, they spread apart. If you project these diverging rays backwards, it looks as if they come from a single point, and that's this point right there. So you can see if we extend the rays back using these dotted lines, we use dotted lines because they're not real rays. They don't actually go back, but we can project them backwards. They'll all come together at the principal focus. The secondary principal focus is on the other side of the principal focus, just like we had for our converging lens. In summary, a converging lens brings parallel light rays together through a focus after refraction. 2. A diverging lens spreads parallel rays apart after refraction so they look as if they come from a virtual focus. 3. The principal focus of a converging lens is on the opposite side of the lens as the incident rays. And number 4, the principal focus of a diverging lens is on the same side of the lens as the incident rays. And here are two diagrams to represent what we've been talking about. And that concludes our lesson on lenses and focal point.